Hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. Those who have subscribed already, you're much welcome, and thank you very much for the continuous subscription. So today we are going to prepare some porridge, and I'm going to show you what makes my porridge taste better or good. So we are going to measure some flour. I'm just going to prepare for 2 cups. So for 2 cups I need 3 spoons and a half, 3 full spoons and a half. So then I add a little water. Then you stir. And in order to make your porridge not to be tea-like, very soft, you have to make sure you know how to measure your flour and water. It has to be a little bit thick. In here, it has to be a little bit thick, not that light. And as you can see, my water is almost boiling. So here we are, and we are waiting for it to boil. So I add a little more water because it's much thicker. So I don't want it to be that thick, and I don't want it to be light. So I'm going to show you how it's going to be. As you can see, it's not that light and it's not that thick. So I'm going to wait for my water to boil, which is almost boiling. Continue stirring because the water and the flour, sometimes the flour tends to go deep. And you see my water is boiling, so we are going to add as you stir. You add as you stir. You add as you stir for it to incorporate with the hot water. And then what do you do with the remaining? You add a little more water here, just like that. Then you do like that. Then you add into your porridge. It's not going to mess with the thickness of your porridge. Then you stir until it starts boiling, to prevent it to form those small balls. Then you leave it to cook a little bit. You leave it to cook a little bit, and as it starts boiling, you look for your sugar. And here is my sugar. This is where I put my sugar. This is my sugar. As it's cooking, you add 3 spoons or 4, or it depends on how much you want. I'm just going to put 4 of them. And then I stir. Then something good about my flour, this is a packed flour. It doesn't take that much to cook. So I'm just going to use less than 7-8 minutes, and I'll be through. Okay, then we wait for it to cook a little bit. You can see it is boiling with much love. And you'll notice the level of my porridge in my sufuria. When it starts decreasing, then it means that it's almost, or it's ready. So we wait. even as you wait. What fruit do you love? I have a pawpaw, some mangoes and bananas. You'll never miss this in my kitchen, and I love them. So as we continue, this is, I'm going to show you what makes my porridge taste good and at the same time smell good. It gives you that appetite. This is what I use. I add some blue band. This makes your porridge soft. It makes your porridge smell good. It makes your porridge just be good. Adds your appetite. As you can see, my porridge has started decreasing in level, so we are going to put our blue band, but don't to put that much, just a little, just like that, just little. Then you stir to incorporate it with the porridge. So that is the secret behind my good smelling and appetizing porridge. I wish you can feel the smell. It smells so nice because of the blue band. Then you leave it a little bit to cook, just a little bit, just less than 30 seconds. So we are going to wait. And then, as you're waiting, this is where I store my porridge, in this flask. So even if, right now it is in the morning, so even if I want to take this porridge or I want to give my son this porridge in the evening, it's always hot. So I don't need to go and preheat it again. So make sure you have somewhere to store your porridge. And I think my porridge is ready for consumption. Yeah, my porridge is ready. So I'm just going to store it. So this is where I store my porridge. Just put it in the flask. As you can see, it's soft. It's not tea-like. And it's not that thick. That makes it not to be boring. And you can take this each and every day. So because my son is still sleeping, I'm going to put for him here, so that when he is waking up, he finds it's cool and ready to take. So thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe and just know I love you very, very much. Let's meet in our next video.